Today I am going to show you how to make an RC car. If you are a first timer, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. In my last video, I shown you how to make an RC car, but I used a lot of wires for connection. I gifted to my son, he played a very lot, but due to some reason, one wire came out by mistake. My son shorted the wire with positive and negative. Due to that, the battery heated too much and it was about to blow. You can see how the battery holder melted. So I thought to remove those wires and make a professional type PCB board, RC receiver and transmitter. At last, after a lot of trial and error, I succeeded. This is my new RC receiver I made without wire. In old one I used a simple RF24 model. It covers very less distance. So I changed it to the NRF24L01 with amplified one. With antenna, it covers more distance. I use a header pin almost in my PCB so that I can easily remove my models whenever I require, whenever I need a replacement. I take an acrylic sheet, or you can use any type of hard material plastic to make a chassis. I drill 2 holes at the middle of both sides for routing your motor wire. Then apply a glue gun on chassis and fix the BO motor. And same way fix all the 4 BO motors and route the wire through the hole. Now I am fixing the receiver over the chassis with the help of glue and fix battery holder also. Thereafter you connect all the 4 BO motors wire to the L298N motor driver. Some of the connections I left blank for my future project, so you also leave it blank. Then fit all the four wheels. I left one more connection in transmitter intentionally for my future project. Now upload the code to the receiver and transmitter. That's it, your RC car is ready to rover on ground. If you like it, then don't forget to check out my videos of how to make this professional type RC receiver and joystick transmitter. Add a smile to your life by sharing and subscribing my channel. Thank you for watching.